Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I am going for a haircut and I'm super scared. This also is not my scooter. As you can see, everything is too much. My facial hair, my hair on the top, my reels that I'm posting. I am going to this barber shop who charges you 75 for a trim, 130 for a haircut. Such cheap prices warn you. They make you feel cautious. Can the barber do a good job? It should not be that it is cheap because he is bad. Look at this Texan in India. What's a Texan doing in India? He def needs a haircut. So let's go to the barber shop. Thoughts in a barber shop. Don't show the barber you're nervous, otherwise he'll get nervous too. Hold your head still or he'll cut off your ear. Also, why do I low-key look like Indian Hitler? Something a little fishy about this cut, G. I look like my dad. Then what to do? Become a girl. I have to face the challenges of life. She didn't recognize any part. My mom has taken a vow. If I am not fat, she is not happy. I think lately I have made her happy. I'm gonna lose weight. I should not have said that. I should not have said that. She heard me. Yeah. Coming. And the worst part is, my mom is a really good cook. She did 3 years of hotel management training. Deep fried lollipop in the morning. Who has deep fried in the morning, bro? Tail dek, bhai, tail dek, tail dek. And also, if you don't eat, she calls you 50 times. Imagine Joshua's mother.
Estrogen.
No. Joshua has stayed in my house for the past 1 year. And he's finally packing his bags and leaving. So to celebrate! Freedom. We are going out to eat.
But I'm not going out to eat because no one's taking me out to eat.
That's right, guys.
No, the truth is that she has in time at what time?
You don't know. I'm staying here for 4 years. You don't know.
Ooh, spice. 8:50.
Yes!
I want to thank God in all of this. He has lifted my burdens and He has thrown them to Santa Cruz.
If Afi starts a coffee shop, what should she name the coffee shop?
Afi Coffee Day. Apparently he's single.
Joshua, time pass मत कर यार, बैठा क्यों?
हाँ भाई, टाइम पास मत कर.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wait, wasn't it night? Never mind. I'm going to buy chicken from the chicken shop and my face is not swollen. I have an aula. There is something about buying chicken that makes a man feel nervous. What if I buy the wrong part of the chicken? Mom asked for legs. I'm buying wings. What if I don't buy the chicken and buy some goat or something? Shit. There's an accident on the road. Woo, woo. People are talking to me, बाइक वाला की गलती है. अरे भाई मैं तो चिकन जाने जा रहा हूँ भाई. मेरा टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहा है? And on top of that, we as men don't know how to bargain. Women know how to do it very well. Some do it even more gracefully. We have to do it. भाई पता दे दो ना, please. Bargaining is such a mental task. How low can you go? Everyone wants a chicken for free, but that's not possible. So how low I can go that the seller also thinks that oh my god, he's not that poor. ले लो भाई, तू chicken ले लो, beef भी ले लो. We don't do beef in Maharashtra. We all love each other. It's just like Shark Tank. If the business asks the shark, Shark जी थोड़ा और कम कीजिए. The sharks are like नहीं करना business. आगे 1 kg chicken piece चाहिए. Super nervous guys. उसका amount क्या रहेगा भाई? I see a fixed price. हो गया? Thank you. I couldn't. It didn't come. I was thinking of 50 other things that could have happened, and thank God that didn't happen. What if I said, "Nahi bhaiya, 250 le lo na," and the bomb dropped on my head? Thank God that didn't. Yeah, bro, the fixed price let me down, bro. And that too, right in front of the cashier bill, they put the fixed price, so you can't even have hope. Ow! So my mom is making chicken curry because my uncle and aunt are coming. It's gonna be chaos because we have another Jonathan in the house. I can see my mother walking towards the main road, and I have to confront her. Hi, mother. It's been a while. I got the chicken. It was $200.
How much?
200.
Don't you?
Dude, every time I see my mom, I lose act. Like, she has a better joke than mine. It's gonna be chaos. I told you about the chaos. We have the chaos in the house. We have keys here. Keys show a face on it. And we have Juan, my Spanish brother. And if you can see that individual, the youngest of the group, Jeremiah. It's a new day and it's a new reason to make more noise. So yeah guys, these are my cousins and they have come from South India.
He is not having the ball.
I'll go and manage this while you go to the next thing. Yeah, no, we are still on the same scene. Since the whole family is in town, we are planning to go and have lunch. But if you can't see, I told you guys, the chaos is not ending. This is Jonathan's friend Rishan, and he is in 6th standard, right? The most wisest person in the group. On another hand, my mom expects me to get them ready because we are going out for lunch. I'm in a dilemma here, guys. Should I get me ready or get them ready? Like, so many things are beginning in my... Sure. Of course. I shouldn't have said sure. I should have also saved that 280 bucks on chicken. My mind can't go in 4 places, bro. Just can focus on one thing, bro. I want to do music, bro. Please stream my music, guys. Now, how do I get them out? I can beat them, but that doesn't work in the long term, bro.
Emma, come now, get up. You're going for lunch. I'm going. No lunch in the house.
We are going for lunch. Where are you going for lunch? We are going to Taste of Kerala for lunch. I'm deciding what to wear for the 15th anniversary. This shirt looks a bit dirty, so I'm going to buy a shirt. If you don't know, our church is celebrating 15 years from inception. And like usual, I am late for the service. And my parents have left in an Uber. And now I'm at West Side to buy a new shirt. Much better. Looks very clean, looks very... Where is this vlog going? To church. We are going to buy wet wipes to clean my shoe. Thank you. Hey, Chubet. As I'm cleaning my shoe, let me say a few things about my church. Hey bro, I could have legit opened it from here. There was an opening. I did this. I technically don't know how to use wet wipes. But talking about my church was started 15 years ago in a place called Galaxy Hotel, all the way in Santa Cruz. I was 11 years old and I still remember it was around August. I was on the left side of the back seat of our Hyundai Accent car. And my mom was like, Timmy, we are going to a new church today. And I was like, which church? And then she was like, our church. It didn't hit me back then that a church is actually a business. We help people come out of their struggles in life and we get when we give. And the cycle continues.
Because HOP loves me. Because I come from Siena and there's no love is there.
HOP is a place of love.
So he was Roman Catholic and there was no love over there also.
So if you need to leave the hall, you can...
For the people.
The hall, you can keep moving, but more.
Because it is better than my church. Thomas Pastor.
Because Pastor Thomas and Pastor Shama ma'am is here.
Jude.
Because I love Jesus Christ.
Let's go.
Open the eyes of my heart.
This is the house of God.
HOP gives me permission to do a lot of things that C and I wouldn't. I want to see you.
Thank you so much, Ruth, for helping me.
No problem, Agape. Why don't you tell them about your work life?
From Sunday holiday to Monday work. Most people go to an office where they work. While me, I decide which coffee shop should I go to work. So when I get up late, I go to Blue Takai. I see other workers sitting in my office. That was my office. You're sitting over there. Did you ask permission to get inside the office? Welcome to my office, guys. The first bench beside the door in Blue Tokai Breach Candy. I often come here to work on many things like my trading, my music, and the vlog you're currently watching. Although recently I've become very obsessed with working long hours and I usually leave the coffee shop. Wait, what? My office. Like very late in the night that my dad gets nervous. And I'm a boy. And these are the two things I learned that day which blew my mind. Number one, have a mental pool where you draw out mental water whenever you're mentally thirsty. Number two, instead of doing many things fast for a short period of time, do one thing slow for a long period. But you guys already knew that. Thank me later for reminding you. If you haven't wondered, yes, I'm going home at 9 p.m. And yes, my mom called me 50 times. Sorry? and I didn't answer even once. And yes, I do love my mom.
But when I see the call notification, I'm like, bro, let me just call her later. Like, it's not that urgent.
I'll pick up the call aram se. Like after the work is over. And then there's that one thought. After all she did to you, you cannot even answer her one call. So easy. And on the 51st try, you pick it up. Hello?
Yes. No. Okay. Please? Okay.
That wasn't a conversation. That was an MCQ.
Where all your answers are right because your mom loves you. Are yaar. Guys, don't judge me for not answering my mom's phone. Moms, please call us for something new. Look at dads.
Hello? Yeah, dad. What? The kitchen exploded? And mama is in space? See? Unique. Not like, hello? Yes, I ate my food. Yes, I'm on my way. Yes, I'm fine. But when I couldn't wash my mom, she did. No! It's a dilemma. Dilemma. Oh my god. It's a dilemma.
We are gonna watch a movie. Alone.
As you saw, they left me alone.
G, never left you. Once a G, always a G. 4G network, let's go. Let's go.
Hey guys, we are going to Savio Uncle's house. I'm in the auto, and if you look outside the auto, it's a road no more. We are on the ceiling going to Kurla.
खाली तो नहीं है.
Guys, it's a mess up, guys. The whole place in Kurla is filled under water because of the rains. You can see the tempos and all have been standing here since around 7 p.m. and now it's like 9 o'clock.
जाएंगे क्या स्टेशन? हाँ टीना. हाँ फिर सही. Guys, we switched auto and now we are going to Santa Cruz station. Sad stuff, bro. The whole Kurla is underwater. Oh Kurla. I cannot swim in the water. I don't know how to swim also. Please forgive me. Look at Jovita. She just subscribed to my channel. Something she didn't do.
I'm waiting for better content to come.
Help a creator out. Bye-bye.
Are you a creator?
I create mess. Chalo, bye. See you later. It's cool. Everything I say you're laughing, bro. They're still here, guys. Abhi go now.
Is he telling us?
No, them.
Achha, okay. Is someone watching also? You're dreaming still.
Exactly. Good morning. Wake up from your sleep. Wakey.